This will be a quick video for replacing the front rotors on an Infinity Fx35 model years 2003 through 2008. When replacing the front rotors, it's highly recommended you replace the brake pads as well. But since mine haven't came in yet, I'll be making a separate video on brake pad replacement for this vehicle. You want to begin by popping the hood and removing the cap from the master brake cylinder to prevent pressure buildup when you compress the caliper piston. Then jack up the front end and support with jack stands. Then remove the wheel cover with a flathead screwdriver, and you'll need a 21mm socket to remove the lug nut. Since the front end is off the ground, you can turn the key to the accessory position and turn the steering wheel for better access to your fasteners. And you'll need a 14mm socket to remove these two caliper bolts. I like to hang the caliper out of the way with a short bungee cord so it's not in the way or hanging by the brake line. You'll need a 19mm socket to remove these two caliper bracket bolts. The rotor should just slide off, and before installing your new rotor, make sure you spray it down with brake clean. These rotors are packaged with the grease that prevents rust buildup during their shelf life. Installation is reversive removal. You want to start the bolts by hand first before tightening them down. Don't forget to put the cap back on the master cylinder and pump the brake pedal until firm before starting the car. And that's how you replace the front rotors on this 2006 Infinity Fx35. Once again, I'll have to make a separate video for replacing the brake pads because they're not here yet. I'll leave that video linked in the comment section below. So until next time, y'all stay tuned.